Welcome back to Master the Classroom. Today, we're diving into one of the most effective strategies for success, SMART goals. If you've ever struggled to stay motivated or felt overwhelmed by all your tasks, this method will help you break down your goals and stay on track. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to set goals that are clear, achievable, and designed for results. Let's get started. SMART is an acronym that stands for Specific, Measurable, Achievable, Relevant, Time-Bound. This framework turns vague ambitions into actionable plans. Let's break it down step by step. Your goal should be crystal clear. Ask yourself, what exactly do I want to achieve? Example, instead of saying, I want to do better in school, say, I want to raise my math grade from a C to a B by the end of the semester. You also need a way to track your progress. This helps you stay accountable and know when you've succeeded. Example, I will complete 5 practice problems each day and track my quiz scores weekly. You also want to set a goal that's challenging but realistic. It should stretch your abilities without being impossible. Example, if you're struggling in math, don't aim for a perfect score immediately. Instead, aim to improve your grade by 10 points first. Your goal should align with your long-term objectives. Ask, why is this goal important? Example, improving your math grade makes sense if it's a subject you'll need for your dream career or college application. You also have to set a clear deadline to create urgency and keep you focused. Example, I will raise my grade by the end of the semester, checking my progress every 2 weeks. Let's combine everything into one SMART goal. I want to raise my math grade from a C to a B by the end of the semester by studying for 1 hour daily, completing 5 practice problems each day, and reviewing my progress every 2 weeks. See how clear and actionable that is? You're setting yourself up for success. Now here's some tips for success. Write your goals down and keep them somewhere visible. Break big goals into smaller steps so they're less overwhelming. Celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated. Use tools like planners, apps, or sticky notes to stay organized. And that's how you set SMART goals to level up your productivity and achieve success. Now it's your turn. Take a moment to think about one goal you want to achieve and make it SMART. Share your goal in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're working toward. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Master the Classroom for more tips and strategies to help you thrive in school. See you next time.